Good morning. My name is Dr. John Huang, and we have Mr. Frank here. We're gonna adjust his spine, and we just kind of watch what we're gonna do. We use all sort of technique in his office, and I'll demonstrate stuff for you. First thing we like to do is we're gonna adjust his neck, mid back, low back, and using the drop table technique. I'll demonstrate that to you. We're gonna push down and recreate that curvature in the neck that he needs to have. There we go. Awesome there. That's nice movement there. Awesome there. Usually people have a little hump right here, and we want to create that hump, push back into proper alignment, and remove the nerve irritation out of your spine, so the body could be able to diagnose itself and fix itself. The body is a healing machine. It knows what to do to get the spine back in proper alignment. Our goal is to get the spine to proper alignment so the nervous system could fix itself and regulate itself correctly. When people get adjusted, they have better ability to move around better, they have better mobility, better quality of life, sleep better at night, less stress. And we want to do that the whole time you're alive, because we all want that mobility when we get older. And Mr. Frank will tell you that mobility is the key of quality life. Just check the leg length. Let's get there. A little bit shorter here on the left side. Still got a little more work on the left side. Now, I'm going to demonstrate using my ortho stem adjustment tool here. I usually like to sometimes do the constant adjustment, take the pressure off the nervous system. Right here. Very good. I'll tap the spine, get the spine moving correctly using the ortho stem here. And then we use the tool. I'll tap the whole lower back a little bit. I really like this tool because help the patient relax a little bit. It just adjusts the spine. Those that don't like the manual adjustment, we use this tool to adjust the whole entire spine with this tool, including the neck, the joint, also the hip, the knee, the foot. We use this tool to adjust your spine. And that's a good demonstration how using this tool. A little bit on the spine. I'm gonna double check what I did earlier for him. A lot better here. A lot better here. A lot better here. Awesome. You did good there. You did really good. Frank, take a deep breath and hold your breath. Hold your breath. Just hold your breath. Good. Breathe out. That was really, really awesome there. Good. Good. All right, Frank, on your side for me, please. Awesome. You good, Frank? Yeah. Good. Good. Other side, Frank. Awesome. Awesome. On your back, face up. All right. So we just get the hip here, right? You just relax the leg and loosen up the hip a little bit for me. You're going to distract the hip. Awesome there. That was wonderful. Awesome right there. Whew. He just got a little taller. Now we like to use the wide strap Mr. Frank here. And that's how people take the pressure off the nerve when you distract it. Distraction usually go from the neck to the lower back. This will go to distract and take the pressure off the nerve. It's good for helping people with a herniated disc, sciatica pain down the leg. Really helpful for doing that. Wonderful. Whew, he just got a little taller again. That's awesome right there. So now we're going to adjust his neck. Good job, man. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, that was a good one today. That massage was excellent for you this morning. You did really good massage. It really helped loosen your whole body. Alright, give your wife a little better now. On this side. Come on, Frank. Turn towards the camera. Towards the camera. I got one more thing I'm gonna do for you. So we're gonna tap Mr. Frankie's tool with this auto stem here. We're going to use it to tap his neck, free up the range of motion. I like to use this tool. It really helps free up the range of motion. I could go to the different vector of his neck, create that range of motion that people typically don't have in their neck. I could go left and right. And then I could actually go into what we call a neck extension and free up the nerve, the range of motion, just take the pressure off the nerve. A lot of people use a cell phone these days, computer, the neck is going forward. This tool helps bring the neck back. Get the head where we go. He's feeling really good right now, I can tell. Let's get the shoulder too. Awesome there. Awesome there. All right, Frank. You can tell the West Chase Wellness patient how well you've been doing since you've been coming in and how long you've been coming in. Go and tell the world. Go ahead.
Well, I've been coming to the doc for over a year, and had started with low back pain, and it's much better. And I keep coming back because he does a good job over here, and everything is good.
All right, thank you, Frank. And also, Mr. Frank's been going to a chiropractor for many years, and we're very grateful that he's coming to us for let us help him get well and for him to have a better mobility for the future. Thank you.